If you're still losing customers when they view your product, it usually comes down to 3 reasons. And in this video, we'll uncover them, and by the end, you will also have a solution to fix this problem. So let's start. The first reason is expectation mismatch. What does it mean, expectation mismatch? Well, you have, for example, a product that requires customers to customize it, and they are viewing your product in your product pages, but your variation do not match your product images, and that's a big problem. Last time a prospect came to me to solve this problem because she couldn't fit all the variation of that chair in the product images. There were like too many variation, and she was looking a solution for it because like customers couldn't imagine. Like if you do that, it's like you're asking a customer, a potential customer, to expend a lot of energy and imagine how that product of yours would be. And then that's why it comes to the second reason, which is they have many pre-sales questions. What does it mean? Simple putting this, they are asking themselves, is actually this product what I will receive, what I'm inserting in this variation, for example, the images in the galleries are not changing. So it's actually setting good. This site, this website, this e-commerce has some problem, and they will read better, they will read good, they're what my order is it, and maybe I will receive a different order. Should I contact them? Should I ask them what the product will look like with this type of wheel and this type of color and this type of texture? And all these questions make just your worst, and the easy solution that comes to their mind when they have all these questions that are not answered with just selecting the variation and the image gallery could just show them the images. Well, the easy solution for them is to leave the website and then go to your competitor. And that's the frustrating thing, because it do not help you to do the sale. And all of this drives to the third solution, the third problem of this basically at the end triangle that I'm going to show you, which is you have a lot of abandoned carts on the customizable product that you're selling. And this is like a problem because you might also have these follow-up emails that help you remind your customers, maybe you want to finish this purchase, this is what you were looking, now you have this offer because they abandoned this cart, and that's just what described till now the two problems before delivered to this third problem, which is a lot of abandoned carts. And you can just simply solve this by implementing something different that they wouldn't expect because of the experience, and would solve a lot of questions in their mind, helping them visualizing, and it will save you a lot of time, especially if you have, for example, if you do not show your price so they cannot buy directly from you. Well, it will help you also save time and sell faster, because it will avoid the back and forth of this exchange, of these emails that you're going to have with your customers when they want something personalized. And actually, another of my client, after implementing this solution, like save 80% of their time on a customizable product, like 80% of the time. Like in let's say 100 hours of work, like they save 80 hours, and that's amazing. And so how you can solve all of this problem, because as you can see, this is like a triangle basically, and you can solve this problem with a 3D product configurator. Why a 3D product configurator? Because besides like helping you increase the sales, well, it helps you save time, but it helps you improve your customer experience and avoid all the question of your customers, because people can just personalize what they want, how they want your product. So in the example of this sofa, They can personalize the fabric, they personalize the arms, they can personalize the basic, the legs finish, and all of this that you couldn't possibly fit in a product gallery images. And this is something that you should really evaluate because it also brings you a better ROI. So I'm going to show you the ROI, and you can have this ROI by the link in the description, and simply putting, like, let's say you have this e-commerce and you have actually 3% of conversion rate, and the augmented reality, the 3D configurator, can actually increase your sales of 12%, and your average order value, because maybe you sell bags, let's say, is $120, you have, let's say, it's less, so 8,000 monthly visitors, and the cost of implementing a 3D configurator, well, if you buy configurator, that is a lifetime access, and you will get for all your life. You don't have to pay monthly fee and or annual fee. Well, you just buy for your license, so it's average price $1,500. Well, this will be your return on investment and your projected revenue. So 1,300,000 of revenue with a 3D product configurator instead of this 345,000 in just 1 year, and you have lifetime, and you can implement on how many products do you want. So this is like the benefit of 3D product configurator, not just in revenue, but especially for your customers, because they will even remember your experience, and they will refer to friends. So this is going to solve these of your problems, these three problems: the expectation mismatch because of the variation, the gallery, the sales, pre-sales questions, and of course the carts abandoned, and you will save a lot of time. If you want to implement a 3D configurator, click the link below, and I will also leave you the ROI calculator so you can see how much benefit your e-commerce from this.